how to fix Facebook not sending SMS codes. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're gonna discuss how we can fix if Facebook is not sending us SMS codes, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you have been trying to verify your account, maybe you're trying to log into your account somewhere, it'll ask you to enter the code, but the problem is Facebook is not sending you the code. Now the very first reason why this happens is just make sure that the phone number where your Facebook account was associated is also the account on which you're trying to log in. And also make sure that the SIM card is basically inserted and that your messaging application is also working just fine. If you're not able to go ahead and receive your messages, try to receive a message from a friend, ask them to send it to you and see if you receive messages, because you want to make sure that you're receiving messages. Now other than that, the reason why this happens is because you have turned on two-factor authentication, so you might want to disable that. And then after that, sometimes what also happens is that instead of sending the code to your own phone number, it will send the code to other devices where you are logged in. So if you are logged in another phone, try to approve the notification from those devices. And if it still doesn't keep sending it, do not keep trying from the same page over and over again. Instead, what I want you to do, long press the Facebook app, tap the I button to come to the app information page, then just go to this option known as storage and cache, clear cache, and also make sure to clear the storage and then delete the app data. Once done, just open up your Play Store, check if the Facebook app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve your problem. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.